one of 4 comfortable temperatures, then relax. Or if you're busy, Lady Sunbeam's 12-foot cord lets you move about freely. And in just 22 minutes, you'll have gone from this to this.
The ancients divided each season into 4 months, with the moon defining each month as a cycle of 29 to 30 days. From their Sumerian neighbours, the ancient Egyptians had already adopted a 360-day calendar. But the moon as a marker turned out not to be precise enough, at least not when it came to predicting the flood. Eventually, they looked for another solution. One that would have far-reaching consequences. Step by step, they tried to find ways to order their world. And while discovering the rules and cycles of the night sky, the Egyptians noticed a particular star. Sirius, or Septet as they called it, rose once a year in mid-July around the beginning of the flood season. From then onward, this night marked the ancients' new year, an annual cycle of 365 days, just like our year today.
But Lady Sunbeam's extra-wide diameter hose moves more air faster, dries quickly without uncomfortable heat. Just select any one of 4 comfortable temperatures.